moving. What was all that commotion I heard outside?
Excuse me there, gentlemen, just to let you know that Thomas is getting married. Wow! Good to him.
Wow, I did not know that. I was not expecting that over the years. His sweetheart Rosie. Thank goodness they're getting married.
I know, right, Sandal?
Oh yes, I am. I hope your wedding will be definitely better than I was at Boko and Daisy's wedding.
Wait, I pronounce to you, man and wife, you may kiss the bride. No, not you. Let the big guy do it.
There's 2 days left until the big day. 2 days to go! Isn't that right, Edward? Oh, I know that. I just hope Charles won't take away your girl. If he did, I'd be dead. Oh, I hope not. Fingers crossed. I hope Rosie doesn't get kidnapped by that beast from hell. Well, we'll have to wait and see about it. You all did amazing. Oh, good on you. Well done.
Oh, yes! Excited.
Good.
Amazing.